I ordered a Rubik's Cube, and let's just slit this open with a knife. This is my Mofang Jiaoshi Meilong magnetic 3x3. Here is the daily puzzles card, most and we have the actual cube in the box. So that's an accessory box. Great. Let's have a look what's in here quickly. 2 cards and a screwdriver. Set the cube out. Whoa. It's very different plastic to what I'm used to. Wow, there's magnets, I can feel them. They're like in between the pieces there. So corner cutting, kind of, you can go there to about the middle of that piece. This is my Rubik's Cube. Oh, it feels so different. Even after playing with it for literally 20 seconds, it feels very different. This is like a kind of, I don't know, shiny plastic. This is really, it's really different texture, and this is much heavier. This is very light, this cube. Wow, I'm really impressed so far. Let's try some slice moves. It's good. I can feel the magnet, so if your cube is a bit off center, you see it snaps back, and when corner cutting, it really helps it. Let's see enough pieces. Okay. Yeah, so there's a screw inside here, so I can adjust the tensions. That's cool. I'll have a play with those. My new Rubik's Cube looks very pretty. And yeah, I ordered this off Daily Puzzles. I recommend you go get this cube. It's so much different from this slice one. You can hear that. Wow, look at how darker this is than this one. That's amazing. I've never felt a cube like this. I love it. Even the box, I noticed when I felt it, it's like right there. You see? Can you see it's like got grooves? You actually like fill pieces. That's awesome. Wow, this is really good cube. I strongly recommend you go get this off Daily Puzzles. This is really good. Wow, I'm so impressed. Goodbye.